here, and today I'm going to show you guys how to make this butter slime. It's very small. Let me give you, this is a butter slime, and it is without Daiso clay, and it's also without Mono Magic clay. So, let's get right into it. So what you're going to need is some Elmer's glue. It's school glue. I don't know if that matters. Anyways, you're also going to need a bowl. And where is my fork? And a fork or a spoon. And you're also going to need some flour. You guys, there you go. Flour, baking soda, and contact solution. This is my activator. You can also use Tide or detergent or even what are they called? Borax. There you go. So what you're gonna need first is your glue, your bowl. You're just gonna add your glue into there. I'm gonna do a little bit. Okay. Anyways, after you're done that, you're gonna get your flour. Just put it in there. You're gonna mix that up until it's all mixed up into the glue. And it's delicious. Go into the side. Here's the slime. I noticed that if you add a lot of flour, then it gets doughy, and it's not like butter slime. So I recommend you just add a little bit, and then once you're done with the slime, you can add more. So mine is not clumpy. Just gonna add. I will add flour once I'm done. Like, I'm gonna add a lot more. I'm gonna add a little bit more. Anyways, okay, this is taking forever. Okay. Oh well. Now we're gonna add our baking soda. I'm just adding a little bit, as you can see. You can't really see that, but there you go. I'm going to add a little bit more because I didn't even add a lot. So there's some baking soda. I don't think you can see it. There you go. Now you can see it. I'm going to keep the lights off because you can see everything better because there's a light here. You can see everything better with the lights off. So I'll just keep the light off. After you're done adding your baking soda, you're going to add your contact solution. Don't add a lot until it's don't add a lot because it's going to overactivate and it's going to be overactivated slime. And no one wants overactivated slime. I get too impatient and I just add a lot of contact solution. But I know not to do that, but I just keep on doing it. So once it stops sticking to the bowl, to the bowl or container, whatever you're using, then you're gonna pick it up with your spoon, fork, whatever you have. Just gonna put it on the table. Then you're just gonna start mixing it. It might be sticky at first. Just knead it until it's not sticking to you, because you don't want to add a lot of activator, and it's going to be very sticky. It's going to be very tough, and the flour won't help it. I'm going to add a little bit of flour because it's not, I didn't add a lot of flour when I was making it. I'm going to add a little bit of flour, and let's see the final result. Let me go to the edge. Whoa. Oh my gosh, it's at a gas. It's like right here. That's pretty far. It's really good. It doesn't do it that much, but it does really good. Anyways, this was a little short video just for you guys. I'm trying to let that go on. Anyways, this was a little short video for you guys and how to make butter slime without clay. So I'll see you guys next time, and make sure to like this video. I should have said this before, but like this video, subscribe, and hit that little bell icon, whatever that thing is, so you can get notified whenever I post a video. And if you do hit the bell icon, then you can tell me in the comments down below. Tell me that you're a part of my notification squad, and you'll be a part of my notification squad, and you'll also be a part of my slime squad. There you go. I found one in a minute. Slime squad, because I'm very new to this. Anyways, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.